Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Nandoos Cookbook. Today's recipe is Dhaba style Paneer Matar. Let's not wait and let's get started with the recipe. Heat a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats, add quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Once the cumin seeds start spluttering, add finely chopped onion. Stir it and cook till onion turns light golden color. Cook it in medium flame. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Stir it and cook till raw smell goes. Once the onion turns light golden, add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, one teaspoon of chilli powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, quarter teaspoon of jeera powder. Stir it and cook it in medium flame till the raw smell of masala goes off. Make sure the masalas doesn't burn. Now add puree of 1 large tomato. Stir it and cook till the tomato puree absorbs and the oil separates from the gravy. Now add 1 tablespoon of curd. Stir it continuously and cook till the oil separates and floats. Once the oil starts separating, add 50 grams of green peas or matar. Add half teaspoon of salt or as needed. 1/3 cup of water. Close the lid and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes in medium flame. After 15 minutes, add quarter teaspoon of sugar. Adding sugar enhances the taste of curry. Add 50 grams of paneer cubes. Stir it gently so that the paneer cubes doesn't break into pieces. Cook it for another 2 minutes in medium flame. Turn off the flame. Garnish it with coriander leaves. Serve hot. Goes well with roti, chapati and naan. So friends, try out this yummy recipe. Thank you for watching. And do not forget to subscribe Nandoos Cookbook channel.